Alright, this is helicopter activity. And the fake sun is right here over me. This is indeed the state stalking by LAPD. I want you to see that. There they are, stalking. And so are the people of the state. This is the system of state surveillance. Okay, so it's not just limited to the license plates. Federal prison. This old man's going to federal prison. 8CXH 398. But I want to be clear, this is all group stalking. This is a state of surveillance, okay? She's going to her vehicle, license 9GVN834. She's going to federal prison. She's also 18. This is surveillance on communication devices on the internet with the state and terrorism via helicopter, okay? LAPD crossed path on the street on Glendale while I was taking pictures of the demons. As you see the fake sun over me in traffic, and I'm taking pictures of a demon crossing path one after another, as opposed to what you're conditioned to look at, that is just traffic. And everybody's minding their business, going about their way, as you would imagine in Los Angeles. Los Angeles, the state of California, is filled with demon possession. This is a satanic system. That was a demon stalking in a helicopter in a demonic environment and doing so. Engineered light across the vehicle. They're going to federal prison. 9JGM160. They're going to federal prison. License plate. This is demonic pacing. Catching federal time. All of them. License 8DAB850 P.O.C. They're group stalking this whole apartment complex. You understand how you prosecute? Because this is what I did for years on podcasts. I'll get your address. I'll get your license plate. And the whole apartment building will go to federal prison. Because that's what they're doing. All right, they're disengaging activity creation. These are demons walking one after another. This is spiritual darkness.